The webinar is now live. I am giving back the hosting rights.
Great,
Done.
great, Sitesh. Sabha, I'm starting the webinar now. Sabha, are you there?
Yeah,
Yeah, the session is live. You can take forward.
okay. Hello everyone. Very good evening. Hi all. Hello. How are you all? Am I audible? Fine. Okay. Good to see you all. Well, how was your day today? Fine. So our today's session is all about the doubt solving session. So boring. You want some? The day will start now. Oh, okay. Just woke up. You're in IST zone only, isn't it? Oh, busy at work, just winding up the day. Yep. Oh, waiting for the class. Got it, got it. Agenda of today's session is all about to solve your doubts and queries. So today's session is the doubt solving session. Whatever the assignment
Guys, just late. Wait. Sabha will join very soon.
Sorry, I got disconnected because of my internet. I'm back. Hope so. I'm audible now. I don't have any queries also in the chat. Please put your queries again if you have added already. So we'll start with the doubt solving session today. Whatever the issues or difficulties you're facing, you can put it in the chat. Exact complete module name and the unit. Okay, like duplicate management and data duplication or something like that. Okay, the entire path so that it would be easy for me to navigate through it. Fine. Oh, you don't have any doubt. You're able to complete that recruitment one, Mr. Akul? How you have done that? Because others are also facing the challenge for the same. You have completed the other related module, or without completing them, you're able to fix it, finish it. It's everybody is telling that it's a dependent module. Okay, recording session where we can watch. I'll show you. How many modules have to be completing, including the assignment? Okay, yeah, definitely, Miss Mamta, I will show you. Miss Safia, I will show you where you can get the recording. You use the new playground for the assignment. Okay. Somebody got stuck for the flow. But the thing is that, Mr. Akul, let me share my screen. Okay, recording session and assignment bar where you can find, can get any timely for the same. Okay, let me share my screen. First thing, repeated question, your recording. Simply go to YouTube. Okay, on the YouTube, you can search for Future Skills Prime. Okay. Okay. We have our own channel, Future Skills Prime, right? You can go here. You have two options to get it. Like right now, you can see the session is live. Either go to the live, okay? You will get it here. All the cohort session, cohort 1, 2, like all the sessions recordings are uploaded over here. 2 weeks ago, this is the first one. 1, 2, 3, doubt solving. 4, oh, are we missing on anything? No. All the sessions needs to be here only. So all the recordings you will find it here with the name of Salesforce Career Recharge Program Cohort 1. So here you will get it easily. Fine. So those who want to know where the recordings, so here are the recordings. And yep, in the playlist, we have, oh, we don't have a playlist for it. Fine. So check it under the live option. Recently updated also sometime comes. There also you can find it. Okay. Clear? I hope so I have answered your question where you will get the video recordings. How many modules are done so far? Or what are the things we have to do? Let me search for the course. Let me open that course for all of you first. So we are following the trial mix, which is from Ms. Tripti Jha, Salesforce Developer Catalyst. Okay, this one. Here we have completed the modules which are, okay, this we completed in class, first one. Then the platform basics are also we have completed. Lightning experience customization also here only. Data modeling also we have done. Pick list administration also we completed. This was your assignment. Duplicate management. Customize Salesforce object was the assignment. Build a data model for the travel app approval. This is again the assignment one. Formulas and validation in class activity we have done. Most of you might be facing issues for this one and this one. These two are the assignments. Yes, so I was asking the question for these two only, Mr. Akul, that while completing this one, you created the new playground or you have completed some other modules. Because of that, you are able to finish this. Same playground, Ms. Vaishnavi, you are able to finish it. You are also getting stuck over there, right? Oh, you have not done this too. That's why you have not faced any issue. Okay. So I think so these are the completely dependent module. So these are dependent on the recruiting app module. That is a separate one, but a little part of it is given over here. So that's the reason we all are facing it difficulty right now. So let's try to figure out if we can do it without completing them, or else we have to complete them. I'll make you complete those extra modules in the class then. So these two are the one which are flow builder basics and builder simple flow. These are two again the assignments one which you're supposed to do it from the previous class, and the last class was assignment was given was this one, that is for 2100 points screen flows, and the topic which we discussed in the last class was Lightning App Builder. So till here we have completed everything. If I'm not wrong, please correct me if I was given this one as an assignment for you or not. Approve records with the approval process was the assignment. No, na? Okay, fine. Okay. No, Mr. Akul, it was given as an assignment for the second day or third day, but I got a lot of queries about it. Most of them are not able to complete it. So we decided that we'll discuss in today's session how we can fix them, and then we try to finish it out. So it's like that. So far, we are expecting you all to complete till here, Lightning App Builder, all the modules. If you are able to complete the recruiting app one, well and good, or else today we are going to discuss it anyhow. So yeah, this much is the thing which we have completed so far. The remaining we will be doing, and some assignments will be there again for all. Okay. So let me take up the queries now. Complete this data and action in flows, flow builder logic. No, screen flows can be done easily. Data and action in flows, flow builder logic. I think so. We have it, flow builder logic here. No, you can go line by line. It will make you. It will not give you any error. It should not. Yeah. Okay. I'm coming to everyone's query. Let me start with the very first query which I got. Fine. Wait for your turn, dear, please. Okay. How many modules have to complete? Miss Mamta, I have answered your question. Mr. Atul got the question first. Got stuck at the module screen flow. In add more options to your screen. Okay. So, Mr. Atul, I'm showing you how to do the screen flow one. More option to your screen. Fine. Screen flows. And you got add more options to your screen. This one you're asking, right? Mr. Harish, you have to do both of them, the recruiting one, whatever is there in that. But they may are dependent on others. So if they are dependent, then please we'll have to complete the dependencies first. Let me quickly show you all how to complete the screen flows, add more options to your screen, right? So let's do it. So what they're asking actually to us, I'm going to the challenge, okay, sir, directly. Okay. Let me retake the challenge. I hope so. When you're trying to complete this one, you must have completed the previous level from the screen flows. Then only it will allow you to complete it. Okay, you have to add a variable, then do the new bot of flow. Okay, it's a dependent one again. Let me try. I'll just launch it. Yes, we will try to cover, Mr. Harish, the recruiting app. Improve data quality recruiting app. Yeah. We'll complete this one quickly and then we'll go to the recruiting app. We'll quickly jump onto the recruiting app. In the setup, we have to search for flow builder. So all the flows will come here. Basic approval. Oh, which one I launched? What one? No. In the demo, I have that flow. show flow. Here we already have one flow that the name of the flow is new boat opt, right? So we'll have to work around this one. New boat. Can I duplicate it? No, we don't have the option. Fine. I'm just opening this flow. I have actually completed the entire one, so my flow might be different, little bit different from yours. No need to worry. So screen flow is there, op fields are there, get context, and then set content, create op will come in the forward, going forward levels. You have end at the last, right? Yeah. We are in the flows right now. I'm sharing the link on the current module where I am, but this is the dependent module. You cannot do it directly from here. You must have completed the previous, look, 1, 2, 3, previous 3 levels. Then only you can do add more options to your screen. Otherwise, it is not going to work for you. Okay, fine. So the first thing they are asking us to do, they want us to make a variable here, right? So to make a variable, that we just take a name, opportunity variable, right? In the resources panel over here, new resource type, a variable, API name. I have to give some different API name because I already have it. Okay. Fine. Object is a record, object opportunity. Fine. So we have to make it for opportunity object. Data type is record, ops where we are making record variable. No? So that's why we are making record. To add a name record field to the op field screen. Fine. We'll save it. Done. Now we have to go to op field screen. Here we have to do the editing. On op field screen, they're asking us to use this variable to add a name there. So let's edit this element. We'll go to the fields option. So record variable we just created, ops where you already have it. I have 2 of them, but you can go for the one which you created. And what this would be responsible for? Name. Fine. Select name here. It got added at the bottom like this. Fine. Once you're done, actually I already have this thing here. So I'm not pressing the done definitely. But this is how you can create a variable, use the variable to show the value on your screen. Okay, I'll just delete it. So the first 2 things are done. You can arrange anywhere. Use the op record variable to add the stage record field to the op field screen. So the next one, what they're asking us to add it for the stage record field, right? So the similar process we can do it. We need name there only. After adding name in the field, the variable is still same. Stage. Okay, we need the stage as the next one. We added the name. The next thing which we add is a stage. So it will come like this. So we need one stage, one name, and then the final one which they are asking us to create is add a lookup component to the op field screen only. So the next thing which you will add, I'm deleting the stage because I already have it. Fine. Next one which you add after stage here, search for lookup. Add the lookup. Fine. Lookup need the values here, API name. So it's a screen account. Fine. Next, account ID. Account opportunity global constant true. Account object API name is opportunity. Let's copy and paste. The suggestions are not bad. Good. Fine. The API name already exists, I know, because I already added. Fine. So API name, field name, label, object API name. Maximum selection, they're asking when it's required. We have to, yeah. Global constant, true. Fine. This much is done for the lookup. Now, the next thing. I'll just press. Oh, I missed the done. Oh, yes, yeah. Fine. Fine. Done till here. Then, after the op field element and before the create, add a get record element. Fine. So we have to add a. We are done till here. We can close this one once you're done. You're done with editing your screen. Done. Close it. Now what they're asking. Op field element and create op element. So, yep, they're asking us to create two more things in between this. After op field, you need get context and get set context. Create op. In between these, you need to create something. So how you make something? We click on the plus sign. Under op field, you just click on the plus sign. Fine. And get context is going to be the name, API name, fine. Under that, click on the plus sign here. Which kind of element they are asking? Get record element, fine. Get records element, we wanted to add it here. The label, copy and paste it. API name, I'll get the error because I already have it. So I just update it. The object name is a contact. All conditions are met. Contacts. All conditions are met, and the conditions are account equals to account screen account ID. Okay, like this. Do you have any other condition? How many record? All record automatically store. Okay. So all record, automatically store all fields. Fine. So this much you have to do for the get record element. Then in a similar way, you have to add another screen element. Done. So you'll get context here. After get context, you need the screen element here. Add screen. Okay. Copy and paste the name. Set contact. It's a big one, definitely. Label API name. I'll get the error. Yes. Fine. To the data table component to set the content. Main content. Main contact. Okay. This much is done. Data table. So data table name will be main contacts. I'm just changing the name. The label is going to be, oh, that was the label. Fine. Label API name underscore. Yeah. Fine. Use the label table checked. It should be checked. Apart from this, the API name again they are showing main contact. Oh no. We done this. Context from get context source. Contact from get context. Okay. And row selection is a single row selection at a time. Single row. Okay. Apart from this, required user to make a selection checked and configure column name department title. Yes. Default configure columns, right? Yes. Name department title. Fine. So the first one is going to be name. Done. Full name. Add a column. Department. Done. Name department title. The next is going to be TITLE. Okay. The title one. So we have all the three, name, department, and title. Done with this. Now the last one, following values to the create op element. Fine. Done. My screen is ready. Get context and the set context is ready. Two things we have to add in between. Finally, create op element. We have to go to create op element, which we have it earlier. In this, we have to add a variable. Yeah, the same thing. For the name, it will take a op variable from the name, right? So same process we have to do it here. Let's do it. Edit the element. So the records, yeah, we have the fields already here. I already created those fields, like name, where it is taking the value from the op where name, next stage name from op where stage, then the type. But you can add it by using this plus add button, right? Yeah, I already used the name. I'll just delete it. No, I can use it. Yeah, name, the value is going to be from the op where x is the element. Yes, op name. Done. Like this, you have to add all the fields. Okay. You have to add name, stage, account ID, contact ID, and then save your flow. By clicking on this add new field, add field, you can add it. Save it, activate it, run it, like save it and just run it. Check for challenge, you'll be able to get the point. So the same steps you have to add field. The next field is what? Stage name. Same thing you have to do for the stage. Then type, I think so. Account ID and account contact ID. So I already added them. Contact ID, account ID. So that's the reason. So finish this and then you will be done with your current level. Okay. Let's jump onto the recruiting app one because that is pending since long back and getting a lot of queries also for the same model. I'll just keep it fine. I added some extra things, so I just delete them. Fine. It should be like this. Op field screen, get contact, set contact, create op, end. The flow. Yeah, we need the installation for this module. So, Mr. Atul, I have answered your question. We'll do first click on some link. Build a data model for recruiting app. Is this not part of our just closing the things? Fine. Let me just check out back. Okay. So the level which we have to complete right now, main focus, improve data quality for the recruiting app. customize the user interface for the recruiting app. But we need to build a data model for a recruiting app before this, because these all are dependent on each other. Wait a minute. Let me just check out for one thing. We have a dedicated trail mix for it. Okay. Yes, hello, Mr. Sayyed. We need to build a data model. We need to do installation for this model first. Okay. Customize it. Okay. Wait a minute. If we directly try to do this, improve data quality for the recruiting app, let's see what it is asking us to do first. Do we have the dependencies over there? Like create a cross object formulas. Okay, fine. We need object first. Validation rule. Continue customizing the AW computing recruiting app. Oh, it's a continuation app. First, only they have mentioned. Why did I paste it G there? On this one. I'm just checking out, do we have a dedicated trail for it? Trail mix? No. That must be a part of some other trail mixes. Oh, nope, 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 nope. Was that part of this? Fundamentals? No. Okay, fine. So fine. Let's first do this build a data model for a recruiting app. First, let's build it. And then we can go for the next level. They all are in link with each other. They all are dependent one. Yeah. Okay, fine. This one is extra one. It is out of your content. I'm sharing this link with all of you so that you all can also get into this. We have to first build a data model for the recruiting app. Okay. Issue in third. Fine. I will make you do all of them. You all can follow along with me. So you'll be able to complete everything. Fine. Everyone kindly open this trial head. It is not a part of your, it is not there in the part as a part of your trial mix, but it should be there. Okay. So we have to build a data model for recruiting app. Fine. Create a custom object for you. I'll suggest you make a completely different playground for the entire recruiting app one. We have to do around 3 or 4 of the modules related to the recruiting app itself. So create a new playground for it so that you will not face any difficulty or any challenge, right? So I'm just going in the, oh, I have the travel app. In this, I'll just do it. Fine. If you have some other playground, go for that. Branch of flow. Okay, Miss Amrita. I'll check into that. This is the extra one which just came into the picture, so let's do it. So we have to create a custom object, side objects, and junction between object to make an existing app more efficient, basically here. Yeah, sure, Mr. Syed. It's a part of this trial hack. Let me check. Oh, build platform apps. So they all are come together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's like complete 5 units come together to make one app. Fine. We have to work on the first one in order to complete the second and the third. Our main aim to complete second unit and the third unit. Keep data secure is not the part of our content, right? So we don't have to worry about keep data secure, but yeah, only 2 more would be left. If you want, you can add them, complete them as well. Block. Okay. So over here, they're asking us to first launch our playground. We already done it. Get your credential, reset the password, check the email, change the password. Okay. These are extra steps to get your username and the password. But yeah, definitely you can do it. When you launch your playground, go to playground starter. Okay. In the playground starter, you have get your credentials option. This options will help you to get your credentials because we get into the playground by clicking on the launch button. We actually don't know its username or its password. If I want to access it without the launch button, I don't know that thing. What you can do, you can fetch it out from here. Just click on reset my password. You will get a mail. Your username, you'll get to know from here itself, but the password you don't know. So reset your password. You'll receive a mail. You can go to your mailbox. Just click on the link. Okay. And reset the password. You have to use the combination of uppercase, lowercase, and all. Oh, verification code also. Then 54. Verify. Yeah. 8 characters, 1 letter, 1 number should be there. I just updated the password. Okay. Now what I can do, I can go to salesforce.com, login. Okay. Now from anywhere I can use this thing. I just go to Salesforce login page. I know the username. This is my username for that same trial hat playground, and I set the password as blah 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 blah. Login, and I'll be in. So it's the same playground which I'm accessing through the launch button. So this is the easiest way to get the credentials of your playground in the existing playground where you're working right now. You can do it, Miss Vaishnavi, but I'm just suggesting you because there are multiple modules dependent on each other. So that's why I'm just suggesting to go for the new one. We have even done the formulas and validation. There we applied certain validation rule and all. So they might interfere with this. So that's the reason I'm asking you to create it. Okay. Most of the time, due to the formulas and validation, once we complete the module formulas and validation, we start getting a lot of error because of the validation rule. So yeah, it's very common. So I'm in the same account. If you want, you can go to Playground Starter and check out there also that I was able to successfully log in through my credentials. Now I know my username also. I know my password as well. Okay. Username, this username is created by the Salesforce itself. Okay. But when you create the user into your org, you do have the option to use anything. And the username should be always in the form of email address. So you can set your own email addresses like tom@cisco.com, jerry@cisco.com, like this kind of thing, usernames and all. Okay. So yeah, for your org members, whatever the members you are adding into your org, for them you can decide the username and the password. Also password policy also, it should be 8 character, it should be 15 character, last for how many days, after how many days they supposed to reset the password, and everything you can control it. But right now the one which we are using, it is created by Salesforce itself. There we don't have the option. Every playground has its own username and the password. Yeah, definitely. It is not same for all. Like you can see, I'm in the, I just named my playground as the travel approval app. For this, the username is coming as what? Empathetic Wolf, right? If I change my playground here, I'm going for cohort 1. I just launch it. Okay. For this, my username is Creative Goat, something like this. So the username and the password are different for each and every playground. Each and every playground is like your own new org over there. Okay? Yeah. Clear? I'm just moving ahead. We have completed the step where you get to know your username and the password. Then till here. You have to install the package. So install for admins only, then click install, done. Other than that, you may go for the package ID also. The package ID was there. It is shared by Mr. Akul, right? Mr. Akul, you got this package ID, right? Can we use for free? Yeah, we have the limited access. You can do the limited things with this, but it's a paid service. If you want to do it on the org level, then you have to pay. Yep. So installing any package with the package ID would be relatively more easy. I'll say go to install a package here. Enter that package ID. I'm also putting the package ID in the chat. Paste, install, This package will give you install the recruiting app package. Yes, we want this only. Install for all the admins. It should be available for all the admins only. Or all user. Yeah, admins only. Correct. So we will install it for all the admins. Install. It takes a little time to complete the installation. So AW Computing is the version 1 I'm trying to install right now. Once it's done the installation, it will automatically take me to the setup, the backend, where it will show me all the packages available in my playground right now currently. Okay. So the number of packages may differ if you're using your old playground. 4 default packages will be there. 1 plus 1 would be 5. If you're using new one, then 4 and plus 1. If you're using old playground, then you might have installed the dream house also and the other packages as well. So the number varies, depends whether you're using completely new playground or it's an old one. As you can see, I got recruiting app package, the one which I installed right now. Other than that, I don't have any like specific one, like sales contact connected apps. Just come the default one, trial hack playground, default one. So this is the one which I just installed right now. Installation is successful. You'll receive the message also. We all know very well how to make the objects. Like it's been a long time we are working on it. Come on. We have to make customize object, right? Where should I go to add a customized object? Come on, everyone. Navigate me. I want to make an object, the empty table. Steps. It's a valid ID. Don't put the spaces. If you have the spaces, delete the spaces. Mr. Sangamesh. Where should I go to create a new object? Come on. Are we all active? Present there? Object manager new. Fine. Correct. Object manager, right top, create option is there. Right? Yep. Create. We want to make a custom object. We don't have the spreadsheet. So we make a custom object right now. The singular name is review. The plural name is reviews. It starts with a vowel sound. No, it's not starting with the vowel sound. It's starting with R. So no need to worry. Just enter a correct label. Enter the correct plural. The name will populate for you automatically. You don't have to worry. Okay. Next thing what they are asking us to do, auto numbering. The number format is rev hyphen 4 zeros, right? Fine. So text, no. Auto number, we want the display format. We have the rev and start with 1. So these are the changes. You'll have to do it here. I don't like this one. Yep. These are the changes I've done. Other than that, they're asking us to allow the report, track the field history. Yep. Allow reports and track field history. Deployed, allow search. So the status is deployed. Yeah, it's ready to deploy. Allow the searches as well. Users can find the records of this object whenever they will search for it. Okay. Launch a new tab. Yes. Add notes and attachment related to the list page layout. Okay, fine. Add notes and attachment. So we are not launching a new tab. So it won't be reflect. So add the notes and attachment. We don't want a custom wizard, so we are not launching a new tab. So once you press the save, your task will be done. You are not going to select the tab style or the access one. Save. Done. New object is ready. By default, you will get the details page where you can see _C is a customized object, singular, plural, status deployed, track fields tree enable reports also. Correct? If you all are getting the same screen, check for challenge, you should get 100 points. We created a very first object. That means the empty table is, it's not cohort 1. It's not cohort 1. It should be developable app. Are you all able to get your 100 points successfully for this module? Yeah, I know that. I'll get the error. Yes. Done, done, done. You'll not get a badge, definitely. Okay. The next unit is custom queue object for a job posting sites. So now they got the requirement. The requirement is something like they requested you to help the team to keep the track of which website hosts the computing or open position. AWS computing is the open positions over there. Okay. So let's try to do this. The same process we all have to do. Come on. The process is completely same. Label, just copy it. Singular, plural, record, site name, text. Okay, fine. Object manager, create singular name, the plural name, job posting site name, no. It's only, record name is only site name. It is not job posting site name. The format is text, yes. They don't want numbering this time. They want a text. Allow report, track the field, deploy, yes. Allow search, fine. The report, they want to create it on this object. Field history also, they want to track who is editing this thing. The searches will be also allowed. Apart from this, add node and launch the new custom wizard. This time they're asking us to launch the wizard also. So now you need to select the tab style. All the checkboxes are done. Click on save. It will take you to the tab style page. Okay. Job posting site, yes. Tab style, tick the magnify, select real estate sign. Next. Okay, fine. Let's see, where is the real estate? LMNOPQRS, real estate. This. It's alphabetically arranged. So just try to find out the real estate here. Okay, done, done, done. Now it works. Fine. Next to include tab, append to the user. Fine. So visibility to all the profile. Leave the visibility profile. Okay, fine. So it should be visible for all of the profile, like the sales manager, solution manager, identity user, for all of them. Okay, next. custom tab, on which tab it should be visible. So we want it should not be visible for all. It should be visible for append tab to the user existing for personal customization. Fine. We don't want it to show it everywhere, like on the sales page, on the service page. No. It should be only available for append tab to the user existing personal customization. As per their personal customization users, it would be present. By default, it would not be present for any of the profiles. Fine. We are okay with that. Just save it. I have another object ready. The details are like job posting site. It's a custom object. Report is unable, field type is unable, and it is deployed. Ready to use. Field, we have to make it fine. Create a new field to further customize the HR team's user experience. Fine. We are trying to create the URL data type this time. Okay. And it will hold the job posting site URL. Fine. Easy. We go to the field and relationship. So default field comes whenever you make any custom object. The first is the created by, who created it, who last modified it, the owner, and this is the one which we selected while creating the object. Like the text type should be there for the numbering, right? So this is the one which we select, but the other three comes by default. Let's click on the new button. The data type as this selected, ask us to do its URL type. Next, copy and paste the label. The field name will automatically populate for you. We are not adding a description or a help text. It's not asked. Do we have to make it required? Let's see. No. Just save it and new create. So next, it would be visible for these profiles. We are okay with it. It will come on the layout, on the job posting site layout. We are okay with that also. Don't click on save, click on save and new. So it will open the data type again for the next field for you. Okay. Next, we are trying to make a pick list. The name is status, active or inactive, fine. So pick list that will allow you to select one option from the given list. And we are giving the options as active and inactive. Copy the things and paste it there. Simple. We don't have any global set through which we can use the value. That's why we have to enter the values. Make sure you're keeping this correct label here, status. Okay. Followed by, we have to make next checkbox, area field, a lot of things we have to do. Checkbox, technical site, fine. Next to save and new. We are trying to make a checkbox here. The label, technical site, unchecked only. They didn't ask us to do anything extra. Don't do anything extra. Next to save and new. The last one, they're asking us to add a area text area for the description. And this is going to be the last field. Text area. Enter the name here. Description. Next to this time we will click on save. because we are done with creating all the fields. So now you can see in the fields and relationship, I'm getting some extra fields such as description, job posting site, status, technical site, all with the underscore C is a customized one, which you created right now. Okay. Add job posting site to the recruiting app. Okay, we have to add this thing to the recruiting app. So let's do it. If you remember, while creating the job posting site, this object, the page layout, we have deselected all of them. We said manually, if the person will select, then only it will come to there. So we have to do that thing now. So I'm going for the app launcher and searching for recruiting app. This is the package which we installed. After installing the package, we got this thing, the logo, and this app comes. AW Computing, Home, Candidate Interview, all these are the ones which we got it from the package installation. Okay. Oh, sorry. We have to go back to the home only. So on the home, we are trying to do app manager. So this will help us to set the lighting experience for the apps here. Added navigation, recruiting app, LMNOP, yes. Recruiting app. We have to edit this page layout here. Edit. Yep. The name and everything. Navigation items we have to go for. Now here we have to add the item into your navigation list. So we have to search for job posting. This is the object which we created, job posting. Add it to the selected items. So it comes at the end after the chatter where we want it. Okay, fine. We don't want like job posting sites. It comes after report, dashboard, and then after the chatter it will come. Fine. Save it. Save. Go back. If you check for challenge, you'll get your points. I'll just go to the recruiting app and see whether this job posting is reflecting on it or not. No, not yet. Fine. It came here as well. Next to chatter. Done till here, everyone. So we completed the first two. Miss Vaishnavi, you want the help for the third one, right? Create a custom junction object for the job posting. Rather than that, you can just do it along with us. Okay. So what they want us here to do, create a custom Junction object for the job posting. In order to improve the recruiting app, we have to create a Junction object called job posting. So it's a custom object with two master detail relationship. Master and detail relationship is like the parent and the child. If the parent got deleted, the child also get deleted. And it's a key to making a many-to-many relationship. Okay, fine. So the job posting is the another object which we have to make. And then just save it, fine. This is going to be the easy one. This object manager, create object, custom object, just paste the name, put the plural here, postings. Okay. Job posting number should be auto number, job post. Here the name is job posting number, should be auto number, job post 00011. Yes. Leave the remaining thing as it is and just save it. No custom tab, no notes, no field track, nothing. Just save it. Nothing else. Position status. Where you are trying to put the position status. It's a job posting one right now. I think so you're on the previous one. You have to make a master detail relationship here with the other two objects which you created earlier. That's next. Okay, fine. So here we have to try to make a new field. Master detail relationship with the position. Fine. Let's see. Field the relationship. New. We are trying to make a master detail relationship with the position. Okay. P. Is this alphabetically arranged? Yep. Just search for it. It is not alphabetically arranged. Just type PO. You will get it. I just typed PO there. I got it. Okay. We have Miss Vaishnavi. You are also getting the error, right? You are done till here. You're able to complete till here. Next, save and new. Fine. Position. After saving it to the new one. Yep. Master detail relationship again for job posting site. Fine. One more master is there for it. And the detail is job posting site. We just created this one in the previous level. Next, save. Oh yeah. Next, field name. Come on. Next, save. So we are done with this also. Two master detail we have created. So this object is going to be dependent on two of the other objects. Object manager, position, page layout, and we have to do the page layout for the position there. Fine. Modify the page layout here for the position object. Fine. Position, page layout. We have to edit the page layout here. Now what they're asking, scroll down to the job posting related list, click on the from the selection, add it. Fine. Related list, we have job applications here, job posting. Okay, fine. Interviewers, job posting. Fine. And we have to add, what are the things we have to add here? Job posting site name, status. Notes related, no. From the available field section, select job posting site name. Where is the available fields? Job posting. Okay. Job posting site name. Site name. Add it. Job posting number we wanted. Status and technical site. Site, right? Site. Okay. Oh, can we add two things together? No. Yeah, we can. Fine. Job posting site status, technical site name, add, select a section, select. We don't want numbering, number, remove. Only these three things needs to be there, save. I'm not getting OK button. I have to minimize the screen. Okay. Save. So I updated the layout for the position layout of position page. Now we have to do it for job posting site also, the same thing. Job posting site, page layout, edit in the name of related list, where we have to do update. Job posting related list. Fine. I am in the job posting related list. They want to show position and remove this status and title. Fine. Remove this status, position status, position title, and done, and then save. Status title save. Okay. Okay. So it will come like position status. It's a text. Again, the position title, it's a text. Fine. We are okay with that. That means you are missing on the position object. Go and check out, do you have position, this one, in your object manager? We created this object, position. It has couple of means a lot of it comes with the all of these are it comes with the package. You did the package installation. So check out, you have it in the position. You install. I got it. Go to object manager, just search for the position. Do you have the position? They are not available, no? That means it's not done for you. Simple. Approval status created by hiring manager, job description. These things are there. It came with your recruiting app itself, the position, this object. You're getting error for position only. That's the reason. Yeah. Let me go to the recruiting app. Try to do installation again, ma'am. The ID was there for you. Just install it again. The position object you don't have that object only. That's why you're getting it. You are trying to start a new one, now you started. Not allowed to reinstall, really? Since when? You have the option to upgrade it, isn't it? You will get the option to upgrade it again. RS. Oh, I don't have that ID now. But yeah, you have to do everything again, ma'am. You will lose your data. Whatever the things, whatever the objects you created. If I will also try. Okay. Yep. Yeah, it's not allowing you to upgrade it. Fine. You have started a new one, or you're trying to continue? Because I'm also doing in front of you only. If I'm getting, is there anyone else who's getting error for the position? Anyone else who's getting error for position? We have to go to position only. Make a new position here. The title is Super Sales Representative. The position is Sales Department approved US. Fine. Department is the sales department. Location is US. Status is approval. Status is approved. Yep. And then description is fine. Whatever the things we have added, it's coming on the screen. Save and new. Save. Okay. Do you all have the job posting site? Yes or no? It should be there because we added this thing in the menu. So do you have the job posting sites? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So in the job posting site, new record we are trying to add. Job RUS. The link, the URL data type we created, right? So here is the same. Status also active, inactive. We created the pick list, so active. Checkbox, description. It's the same thing, whatever we have defined while creating our object. Save. We are adding data basically into your objects. Your objects are empty. In the related, it is not related to any job posting right now, but we will create a new related job posting. New job posting will create it with the help of this. Position super sales representative. Both are master detail relationship. The master is jobs RUS and the position is also super sales representative. So you need the site, you need the position. Then only you can post a new job. Otherwise, it will not let you to post a new job. Yep, done. Check for challenge, you'll get a point. Oh, nice. Usually in this one, they all are independent. But somehow this recruiting one came as the dependent one. Okay, let me just see it. Where are you? Miss Tripti. Yeah, this one. We don't have two dependent modules. Yeah, the units are there, definitely. But these two are the only one which are dependent. The flow builder basics are also independent to the builder simple post info. No. Look, again, this is automate the business process for the recruiting app. This is again the recruiting app one only. Lightning app builder, we have done it. Quick start with the lightning app builder. We have completed it. Data security. Oh, again, the recruiting app. So just complete the entire trial mix of the recruiting app. Because the recruiting apps are there, all the 4 modules are there, except the first module, all the other 4 modules. All the other 4 modules are given in your trial mix, except the first module. These all are independent. But yeah, in the super badges, you will get a lot of dependent one, as you can see here. Process management, this, and then this will come. The recruiting app, the entire one you have to create it only. Only the first module is not there, so we are doing that thing here now. Shield platform encryption. Okay, you are ahead. You have working on a lot of extra modules. Yes, you have to go sequentially according to this trial mix. Okay. For the recruiting app, I suggest you please follow this trial mix. Bookmark this. Click on your favorite list. The name of the trail is the build platform apps. So accept the first one. This is there in your current curriculum. This one is also there. Keep the recruiter secure is also there. Automate the business process is also there. So all the remaining 3 are there. Only the first one was missing, but they should add the first one as well. Okay. So yep. So just bookmark this. Once you complete this, automatically these modules will get updated here also. So whatever the related modules are there, like this one will get checked, this one will get checked automatically, and these one also will get checked automatically. Okay. So it will get updated automatically once you complete this entire thing. I also may have completed here only, and when I opened this thing, so it was already checked for me. So I also didn't realize that they are dependent, or you may find the error over there. Okay. Last two only are left. Then the remaining you can do it without any issue. Create a self relationship with the position object. Yeah, today assessment would be there for today's session as well. Assignment would be there for today's as well. Okay. I'll just complete this extra module in this today's session so that you won't have to do anything extra apart from this. All the things would be available then in your trial head itself. Okay. So basically, the company requirement is there when the team is looking for the position in their recruiting app. They would like the recruiter to be able to identify the open position that requires similar skills or has similar job description. This will help the recruiters to be more easily determine appropriate role for the candidates over there. Okay. So we are going to use a lookup relationship. Lookup, we already know you can stay in the first object and look into the another object, the details and the information on the records, right? So we have to go to position, fields and relationship, lookup. In the related to pick list, position, find. Related position, field name, find. I'll just go to the object manager very quick. Position, field and relationship, new. The type is lookup relationship. Position, self lookup you're trying to make it. Next, the field name should be related position. Child is positions only. Fine. Save it. So you can look into your own object while adding this thing. Next, save. Fine. Next. Change the related label to related position. Yeah, this should be related positions, plural. Okay. Save. So if I add any record into the table, I will be able to look into the record which is added by the other employees also. Otherwise, the owner can see its own record only. They cannot see the records which is entered by the others. But let's suppose I'm entering the data here, which is like, let's suppose I got the candidate who is really good with certain languages like Python and all. So this candidate can go for the data analyst also. This candidate can go for the app development also. Like, so for other positions also the same candidate can apply, right? According to their skills. So that's what, if the recruiter is adding any information there, they should be able to look up into the other positions also where we can fit this candidate if those are initiated by some different employees. Okay, I'm moving ahead. Add lookup filter. Click the next lookup filters. So related position and edit. Fine. We have here related positions. Yep, the field which we created, the lookup. We have to edit this. We will add some filters here. Lookup filters. Show filter settings. Yep, show the settings. We will set the criteria here. Related position from department. Related position. Department. Yeah. Related position department. When the related position department, okay, is equals to the field. Is equals to the field. Which field? Position field. Position of the department. Fine. Position of the department. When the related position department is same as the position department, okay, then it will show that related data for you. Otherwise, it will not show you. When their departments are same, then only it will show the related lookup record. Otherwise, it will not show any relationship there. Position record ID. Yeah. Position record ID not equals to. Yeah. It should not show the same record. That's why we are using not equals to. The ID should not be equals to the field related position record ID. Yeah. The related position record ID. Okay. Not equals to record ID. Then insert. Filter is required if doesn't display this error message. It should be required. And if the user is not putting, the related option must be in the same department. You cannot relate a position to itself only. Save it. That's it. We'll try to make another new position there in your app. So let's go to the recruiting app and make a new position there. Positions. New positions. We already having the super sales representative there. Awesome sales representative. Wow, the department will be same. Sales approved US. Fine. This is the sales department from the US. Status is approved. Description. And then related field and select. We can even select here related field. Field. Is this related to? Yeah, it is related to the super sales. They both are related to each other. They are from the same object, position only. And we are trying to make a relationship between them. So it's a self lookup. Save in the related tabs. Mm, job posting. Yeah, here, related position, super sales representative. Okay. Verify the step, you will get the points there. One last is left, that is create a custom recruiting field. Last 15 minutes will be able to finish it. Let's. We are not getting points here. These are the points. It shows your progress. And the participant, those who complete the entire trial mix, they will get the batches on their profile here. And we get to know whether you have completed your things or not. Like if you go to profile here, we will be able to see your progress there. And we get to know whether you have completed like the batches, the points, the trails. And under the batches here, we can see the modules and the levels, whatever you completed. Okay. So basically what will happen, on the basis of this, we will decide the lucky winners, those who will get the vouchers. Okay. So make sure you're completing the level, earning your batches and the points. Okay. Let me just complete this 5-minute last level for the data model. Okay. Then it will hardly take 5 minutes. No. Oh. It takes, we have to make fields only. Okay. You'll be able to do this thing. It's a pick list followed by some other text fields, checkbox, text area, lookup relationship, master detail relationship. So only creating fields is left here. I believe you all know how to make a fields very well, right? So make sure you're completing this. For this week's assignment, which you all are asking, let me just look into that very quick. And once you complete this one, you will be able to complete the other two dependent modules without any issues. So we'll be having our next session. It's on 9th of October. It's on Wednesday. Okay. So going forward, the sessions are once in a week only. So you'll get enough time to work around your assignments and complete the requirements. Okay. So 9th of October we are going to meet on Wednesday. And the task which you all have to do is, yep. Okay. Approve records with the approval process, automate business process for the recruiting apps. So you have to work for the approval process and the recruiting app one. I'll say at least try to finish out the recruiting app entire trial mix. This one, if you complete this, that would be enough. Take this thing as an assignment. We have completed the first module here, complete the second custom, third, keep the data secure, automate. So once you're done with this, yeah, business process. Yep. Make sure you're completing this trial. That's it. This is your assignment. Got it, everyone? Okay. I don't think so. Now you'll face any issue. If you want, I can you need to search for the name build a platform app. Okay. This is what the name which you can search for in the search trailhead, search for build platform apps. It will take you to the same one. It should. Let me see. Yeah. Build a platform apps. It's a 2,200 points trail. So try to finish this one. And then you're done. You don't need a link also. Remember the name. Build platform apps. I'm not going to share the link as well. Don't be dependent on the link. Otherwise, if there is no link, you won't be able to do any task. So make sure you're doing this thing. Yeah, then your errors will get sorted out and you'll be seamlessly, you'll be able to complete your assignments, the other task, whatever is there in this. Any other questions? We have last 10 minutes. I can take up the questions quick. Uh-huh. Okay, okay. Anything else? No? Okay, in that case, we'll meet you all on 9th of October, and that is going to be the trainer-led activity where we work around the data management and the data security. We'll be working on these two modules in the next class. And if the time permits, we'll take up your queries and do the things. So you all know where you will get the recordings. You all know what is your assignment for today's session. While you're coming for the next class, we are expecting you to at least complete everything ready till here. Yeah, till here. Is it editable? Come on, I'm not able to get this pen. Okay. It's not allowing me to edit now. Quick start with the Lightning App Builder. Try to finish till here. Okay, dear? All the things. It will get completed automatically once you will finish this recruiting app one. Okay. Thank you all. Where we can find the class recording, it was explained at the beginning itself. We can go to YouTube, search for future prime We have our official channel here under the live category. You have all the sessions recording available, all the 6 sessions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever we have done so far. So there should not be any issue for you. Okay? In the latest only you will get everything. Fine? Okay. Yeah, Mr. Akul, if you got time, you can work around it for the approval process. But the first thing you should work for, it's a recruitment app. Okay? Miss Neha, the assignment which you have to do for today's session is to complete this 2,200 points trail. The name of the trail is Build Platform Apps. Okay? So Build Platform Apps is the one which you have to complete. Okay, wonderful. So on this note, we are ending the session here only, concluding the session for today's doubt solving session. We'll see you all on 9th of October again, the same timing, same place. Okay? Bye everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Sabha. And remember to join on 9th of October for next session.